Hi guys, I'm back at it with another dip powder manicure. So before we get started, I did use Young Nails Protein Bond, OPI Nail Strengthener, and I applied Dipalicious Peel Off Base Coat to my nails. And of course my hands are sanitized as well. I'm going to use IGel Beauty's color Seafoam DD130 and use that as my base for this application. And I am using a pipette, and you want to stir your powder to loosen it. And then just hang out with me, guys, and watch me do this dip powder application. I am using a water marbling tool to run along the my cuticle area to remove any excess dip powder and base that maybe I haphazardly applied. One thing that I did notice, and I want to point out with the Dipalicious Peel Off Base Coat, I noticed that either my application is not smooth or I know I'm doing something wrong. I know it's user error. But when I use this, when I apply base on top of the Dipalicious Peel Off Base Coat, I noticed that I am missing areas, and that when I go to apply the dip powder, it's not sticking all the way. So with this particular application, it wasn't, you see there on the side of my nail, it's just missing. And I'm sorry, I speed my videos up to make them a little bit shorter. I try to keep them as short as possible, but you can see on my ring finger that dip powder is missing. Plus it probably has something to do with my nails. As they get longer, they curve inward, down and inward, and I have since then cut my nails down because I don't like the way they look, and they didn't always do that. I think it has something to do with me not drinking enough water over the past few months, and I noticed they started to curl down, but we'll find out because I'm back on my water intake, so we'll see how if that changes the way my nails grow. So I'm just going in and using a soft bristle toothbrush. You can use a nail brush. It just depends on the mood, whatever I grab off my nail table to remove the excess powder. So I'm brushing that off, and then I'm going in with my second coat of base and dip powder. Okay, guys, so if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Tish. I am a nurse by profession. I am not a nail technician. I am an at-home DIYer of my nails. And those of you that are not new to my channel, welcome back. Thank you for hanging out with me, guys. Please feel free to like, comment, share, and or subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. So after my it's not third, Lord, the second application, my nails, they were kind of uneven. And I'm not going in and applying a layer of clear because it's thin. I don't think I'll need to do, I didn't think I need to do a lot of fouling and buffing, and I didn't. So I'm just applying activator, and I am wiping the activator brush off on a paper towel. So actually a trifold paper towel that I cut. And that's just because I don't want to get that color inside of my activator and stain it. If you do, it's not that big of a deal. And you can see here, it's lumpy. My nails are misshapen. So I decided to go in and apply IGel Beauty's base coat, and I cured that for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And then I applied IGel Beauty's full transfer gel and cured that for a full 3 minutes. So I'm going in with set 28. It is a Christmas set, and that's why I think I chose the seafoam because of that. So let me rephrase that. I think I planned on using this nail foil from the very beginning. It reminds me of like birthday party instead of Christmas, even though it has Christmas trees and bells and presents on there. When I finished, it just reminded me of a birthday party. Maybe your birthday is during Christmas time. But anyway, you guys know, hopefully you know by now, I love nail art foil. And I feel like if you make a mistake on your nails, you can always use nail foil or rhinestones or decals, stickers to cover up any mistakes that you make. That's why I love these things. Plus, I suck at freehand nail art. Not even gonna try it because I know I'm not good at it. So when you're applying your nail foil, I like to stretch mine in between two fingers on my opposite hand and try to lay that down as flat as possible. And then I just take my fingers and rub it in. You can take an orange wood stick, a silicone tool, and rub that in. And before you pull it off, always check to make sure your image transferred completely. That's why you see me lifting it up and pushing it back down and rubbing some more on some of my nails, just to ensure that I get as much of the foil picture on my nails as possible. After I finished applying the nail art foil, I did go in and apply IGel Beauty's jewelry gel off camera and Luxie Nail No Wipe top coat, and applied rhinestones and cured that for, I believe it's a 60-second cure in my LED lamp. And look at that shine. I think the rhinestones make it look super extra. But again, I don't like the shape of my ring and my pinky finger. But finish your mani with your favorite cuticle oil, and I will have another Christmas upload for you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.